Welcome back to Spy Garage.
With its entirely hypothetical design, the 2026 Brabus Bunker Ghost Motorhome series pushes the limits of luxury expedition vehicles into the area of tactical stealth and unmatched security, earning the nickname, "This motorhome disappears in plain sight." For a select clientele that values covert mobility and unwavering safety in every setting, this fictitious invention would be the pinnacle of combining Brabus's bold performance and custom luxury with cutting-edge camouflage and protective technologies. The word ghost in its name alludes to an external style that has been painstakingly created to reduce its visual identity and enable it to blend in with a variety of environments. This would be accomplished by combining dynamic, electrochromic body panels that can rapidly alter their color, texture, and even reflectivity to fit the surrounding environment are the most innovative feature of adaptive camouflage technology. In order to successfully break up the vehicle's appearance, this may include anything from urban concrete grays to desert sands and woodland greens. Stealth shaping. Similar to military stealth technology, the outward form would probably include subtle angles and few reflective surfaces to reduce radar cross-section, but it would still be intimidating owing to its size. Integrated hardening. The term bunker suggests a heavily armored shell that is probably made of high-strength alloys and sophisticated ballistic composites. Every window would be made of bulletproof glass with multiple layers that blend in perfectly with the bodywork. Concealed utilities. To ensure a seamless, uninterrupted external surface that gives no indication of its interior intricacy, vents, access panels, and utility hookups would be cleverly concealed or retractable. High-intensity LED lighting that is discreet and flush-mounted would be used. Rugged, understated power. The exterior design would minimize its formidable powers in favor of a functional, nearly unassuming look that conceals its actual nature, even though the underlying chassis would be strong. Perhaps a heavy-duty Mercedes-Benz basis modified by Brabus. The interior of the Brabus Bunker Ghost Motorhome series would be a haven of unwavering luxury and cutting-edge security behind its seemingly innocent facade. The layout would strike a balance between luxurious luxury and useful durability. Ballistic-grade opulence. The best, yet most resilient, materials would be used to create each internal surface. A sumptuous interior would be created with hand-stitched, possibly reinforced leather upholstery, exotic woods with ballistic inserts, and polished metal accents, all of which would discreetly enhance the vehicle's defensive capabilities. Secure and modular living spaces. The layout would be very adaptable and made to be both comfortable and quickly transformed into secure areas. There will be integrated compartments for the safe storage of sensitive equipment or valuables. Advanced environmental control. The Bunker Ghost would include advanced air filtration systems that could guard against chemical, biological, or nuclear threats in addition to standard temperature control, guaranteeing a safe and breathable environment no matter the outside weather. Cutting-edge communication and surveillance. 360-degree situational awareness and worldwide connectivity would be made possible by a complete, integrated suite of surveillance cameras, thermal, night vision, and multispectral, drones, and secure, encrypted communication systems, satellite, long-range radio, all of which would be controlled from a central command console inside the cabin. Redundant power and self-sufficiency. Long stretches of total self-sufficiency would be made possible by numerous redundant power sources, silent generators, large battery banks, possibly a fuel cell system, as well as enormous supplies of fuel and water. This would allow residents to go for extended periods of time without being noticed. Discreet entertainment and wellness. Despite the security focus, the inside would nevertheless feature a gourmet kitchen, a top-notch entertainment system, and cozy sleeping chambers that would all fit in perfectly with the safe setting. For individuals who must navigate a world where privacy and security are crucial, the 2026 Brabus Bunker Ghost Motorhome series would be more than just a leisure vehicle. It would be a mobile, opulent, and extremely secure command center,